literally, this might be the easiest hand whistle tutorial you have ever seen. Give me just a couple minutes, I'll have you doing the exact same thing. Let's get right to it. Interlace your fingers and connect the outside edges of both hands. Bring your finger down at the joint like this. Finally, lay your thumbs down to seal up the chamber, leaving just a small hole like this. You may be tempted to close your hands at the bottom like this. However, this will make the chamber inside too small. You really need to close it this way to get a good sound. Hey guys, if this helps you, please let me know in the comments below. One more time, interlace the fingers, connect at the back, drop the finger at the joint, and bring your thumbs together. Ready to go. All right, now that your hand is in the right position, I want you to remember that you're making a chamber for the air to go into. It's going to resonate within your hand and then come out the same way it came in. So you need to make sure the air can only go through the hole between your thumbs, not out the back, not between fingers at the top. It needs to be airtight. So the air is going to go in through the thumb, resonate around, and come out through the same hole. However, you don't want your hands squished together because we're creating an instrument. So what I want you to do is think about holding like a lime or a ping pong ball or something small inside your hand. You're wrapping your hands around that object and then you're blowing air into it. Don't squeeze it so tight that you're squishing the ping pong ball. You're wrapping your hands around it and then you're blowing into the chamber. Now, if your hands are in the right position, I want you to watch how my lips go around the knuckle right here. If you've ever taken a glass Coke bottle and you've blown into it, the air goes inside the top, resonates, and then comes out the same opening. It's going to be a similar idea, so please watch this. The air is going through the knuckle, resonating around and coming out. And that's all you have to do. Now, if you want to do this version, why don't you click here and I'll show you how to do that. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know if you got it in the comments. Thank you so much.